In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact customer service on Alibaba.com. Whether you're navigating a complex issue or simply have a few questions about a purchase, reaching out for help can sometimes seem daunting. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure you can easily get in touch with Alibaba's support team whenever you need it. First things first, you'll want to open Alibaba.com. You can do this in the Chrome browser on your computer, or if you're more of a mobile user, you can use the Alibaba app. Once you're on the Alibaba homepage, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find various options and links, but the one you're interested in is either labeled Customer Service or Help Center. Clicking on this will direct you to a page where you can access Alibaba's support resources. Once you're inside the Help Center, you'll notice a variety of topics are listed. This is Alibaba's way of organizing frequently asked questions and issues to make it easier for users like you to find help on common problems. Browse through these topics to see if any of them match the issue you're experiencing. If you happen to find one, click on it to see the details. However, if none of the topics seem relevant to your query, there's no need to worry. You can use the search bar to type in a more specific description of your problem, which will then suggest some tailored resources or articles that might have the solution you're looking for. Assuming you've explored the provided resources and still need further assistance, Alibaba offers multiple customer support options. Among them, you can choose a live chat, send an email, or use phone support depending on what's available at that time and what suits you best. Live chat is often a quick and convenient way to get real-time assistance, while email support is perfect if your issue isn't urgent, but requires a detailed explanation. Phone support can be ideal when you need more personal and immediate interaction. When contacting support, remember to be clear and concise about your issue. To help Alibaba's team assist you more efficiently, provide your order details up front. This includes your order number, and if applicable, details regarding any transactions or communications you've already had. Clearly describe the issue you're facing. The more specific you are, the swifter the resolution process will be, as it helps the support team understand the situation without the need for extended back and forth communication. And there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive way to contact Alibaba's customer service. I hope this guide has made the process less intimidating and more manageable for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any further questions or need additional help.